Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to do standing, rolling in and out with your arm springs here on the Cadillac, and you can do this on most towers. So there wasn't actually a name for this exercise. So if you don't know it by that name, that's fine. In fact, most Pilates exercises did not have names. So that's why a lot of the same exercises have different names. And so honestly, I like to call it rolling in and out because it makes me think of kneeling, rolling in and out. And also like, I think of my teacher when he calls this, like it makes something of Proud Mary. And I really wanted to call it Proud Mary, but I felt like that won't make sense to most people. So I just named it the standing version of a kneeling version that's very similar. So you take your arm springs, you stand with your feet parallel, and you have your knees bent. That's really important, just a little bend in the knee. And then you lengthen your spine over, and you're going to take your arm springs and you start to draw circles with these arm springs. And you're not looking forward, right? Your neck is long, and you're just pulling the springs down, back towards your hips, up your body, and really drawing a circle. And then you reverse it, and you're hopefully not sticking your booty out or leaning past your heels. 5 to 10 in each direction. You don't want to go slow. You want to have some speed, and you'll feel your center really having to hold you up. It gets your heart rate up. It's super fun. But again, make sure you're not locking your knees out and leaning your booty back. Hips over your feet so that as you lose tension on the spring, your center has to work really hard to help hold you up and keep you there, which makes it a lot of fun. And so if you're using the flashcards from onlinepilatesclasses.com for the Cadillac and tower, you'll see not only are most of the exercises to be able to do on a tower, but also that there's just there's an abundance of standing arm springs exercises. Some of them are easy, some of them are hard. This one will be a little bit harder. You'll also see other exercises that go well with it on the mat reformer and Cadillac. So please check those cards out if you haven't already got them. And if you're here because of those cards, hey, thanks for getting them. I hope you're enjoying them. I hope you're having fun making little progression plans, and I hope you try these exercises.